I get into my car with the long road ahead. The radio on with tunes in my head. Roof down, foot down, hair flowing with the sun on my face. The roar of the engine to keep up the pace. My heart is racing like a sports car. I'm in my life, whizzing by my mind in a spin. I look in the mirror, time now passed. Time whizzes by ever so fast. A boyfriend, a marriage, husband and child, a wedding, a funeral, friends far and wide. But still I go faster, it's all in my stride. My heart is racing like the sports car I'm in. My life whizzing by my mind in a spin. I live in the moment, not in the past. I only look ahead and never reflect, never look back. Only ahead I was told, because life is too short and that much is true. But time does change pace, it's said at a time. I change down again and things slow down. The fields that were burned out, crisp and true. My heart is racing like the sports car I'm in. My life, my heart is racing like the sports car. Like starting my journey so young and so bold. Life whizzed me by so quick, I'm now old. But I will give you some advice and take it on board. Life isn't about racing, not being bold. Life is for living at a pace to grow old. My life raced by at 100 miles an hour. I can't get it back, I can't go round again. My heart is racing like the sports car I'm in. My life, my heart racing like the sports car I'm in. My road is ending, it's time to pull up. My sports car was my vehicle of choice. Do I regret it? But sometimes I do. Life needs to speak, camera to make me slow down. But it's time to stop and get out and look behind. In the distance behind, I see my child a long way behind. Because I choose a sports car, I wanted speed and that's what I got. My family in the cruiser while I race ahead. So it's time to say goodbye and wait for those behind. When really I should be in the cruiser. You choose your car, choose it wisely. You choose your car, choose it wisely. Life is for living and that's what you